want everybody to drive a vehicle. And I'm just going to tell you kind of car business 101 on how a demonstration works. You find the car somebody likes. You get in the car with them. After you've done a little walk around, you do a little walk around outside on the lot. You drive the car off of the lot. Why do you drive the car off of the lot? What's the reason why? Good, partially, right? What else? What's the other reason why?
From the lot, you create to the customer as soon as you put out the car from the lot and you introduce the car to the customer. You are creating to their position. This is your car. This is the car you like. Boom.
I'm with you. The reason you're driving it off the lot, though, is because you're familiar with the car. You're familiar with all the buttons and the settings and all that stuff. So you drive the car off of the lot, and the whole time you're driving, you're talking to give you a chance to sell the thing. Hey, take a look at this. Check this out. Look at this glass roof. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Look at this. And it gives you a chance to sell the car because you're comfortable. You know the car. They don't know the car. Have you ever seen someone sit in a car and they like sit there for 5 minutes and they adjust the mirrors forever and the seats and the steering wheel and all that stuff? A lot of people are super uncomfortable when they're not familiar with the car. Then you want to find a neutral switch point. You pull out. You take a quick drive the entire time you're selling. Look at that, feel that, touch that, rub here, smell this. And then you stop the car in like a Walgreens parking lot or something and you switch seats. And then they drive the car back and we'll let the feel of the wheel seal the deal. And then on the way home from the demonstration drive, you can start asking questions. How do you like the way the car drives? Awesome. Before we take a look at the numbers on this vehicle, do you want to take a look at any other vehicles or is this the perfect one? Okay, great. Go ahead and park it. We'll go inside. We'll get the numbers ready. You can take your car home. So, you pull the car out. Who drives the car off of the lot?
You do.
Excellent. Salesperson does. And while you're driving, you're selling. You're talking. You find a neutral switch point. Switch spots. Customer drives the vehicle back. Go for a trial close. And then we just bring them inside. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.